Hey, what's up, guys? I figure I'd give you the opportunity. I don't know if you've ever seen this, but there's the Goodyear blimp. She's out here flying over a job site here. Look at that. Goodyear tires. Look at that. That's pretty wild. Appreciate everybody watching DIY Arts channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would, and if you have, I appreciate you guys being a part of it. This channel is a lot of fun. We do a lot of cool things. Try to help everybody out, make them a better person behind the wheel. But I figure I'd give you a peek. Look at that. There's the Goodyear blimp in action. She is flying. She's doing her job. Maybe there's a sporting event. Maybe he's going to a college. I'm not sure where they're going. Wow, check that. I don't know if you've ever seen that. If you've seen that, let us hear your story. And if not, you could say, hey, I've seen a video of it. One day you might get to see it. Pretty cool. All right, guys. You guys be safe on the street. Wear your seatbelt and do your best. We'll see you in the next one. We're out.